Welcome back to MH Car Review, and today we have something absolutely extraordinary to show you. What you're looking at isn't just a vehicle, it's a vision of the future of luxury travel. This is the 2026 Volvo concept bus, and it represents everything we thought impossible in ground transportation. From its stunning exterior design to its opulent interior and cutting-edge performance capabilities, this vehicle is redefining what it means to travel in style and comfort. Let's start by taking in that absolutely breathtaking exterior design. The first thing that hits you is the sheer presence of this machine. The aerodynamic profile is unlike anything we've seen before in the luxury transportation segment. Those flowing lines aren't just for show, they're engineered to slice through the air with minimal resistance, which translates directly into improved fuel efficiency and reduced noise levels inside the cabin. The front fascia features that massive wraparound windscreen that gives the driver an unprecedented field of vision, while also creating this incredibly futuristic aesthetic that looks like it rolled straight out of a science fiction movie. The signature Volvo grille has been completely reimagined here, with that illuminated diamond logo taking center stage. It's flanked by ultra-slim LED headlight arrays that incorporate adaptive lighting technology, automatically adjusting beam patterns based on traffic conditions and road curvature. The body panels feature a champagne gold finish with carefully sculpted character lines that catch the light beautifully from every angle. Those massive wheel arches house custom-designed alloy wheels that complement the overall design language perfectly. And notice how the entire roofline features this seamless glass panel construction that floods the interior with natural light while maintaining structural integrity. Moving around to the side, you can really appreciate the 2.5 deck height configuration that maximizes interior space without compromising that sleek, low-slung appearance. The side panels are completely smooth, with no visible door handles. Everything is electronically operated with proximity sensors. Those illuminated accent strips running along the lower body aren't just decorative, they serve as approach lighting for passengers boarding in low-light conditions. The dual rear axle configuration provides enhanced stability at highway speeds while distributing weight more effectively across the chassis. Now let's talk about what's waiting inside, because this is where the 2026 Volvo concept really earns its luxury credentials. Step through those powered sliding doors and you enter what can only be described as a 5-star hotel on wheels. The interior features individual pod-style seating configurations with each seat offering full recline capability, massage functions, and personal entertainment systems. The materials used throughout the cabin are absolutely premium. We're talking hand-stitched Napa leather, real wood veneers, and brushed aluminum accents everywhere you look. The ambient lighting system offers over 16 million color combinations, allowing passengers to customize the atmosphere to their preferences. Each seating position comes equipped with wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports, and personal climate control zones. The overhead compartments feature automatic opening mechanisms and soft close functionality. The flooring is a plush carpeting that feels amazing underfoot while also providing excellent sound insulation. There's even a fully equipped galley area with espresso machine, refrigeration units, and premium glassware for serving refreshments during longer journeys. The technology integration is absolutely next level. The dashboard features a curved ultra-wide display that spans nearly the entire width of the vehicle, providing the driver with real-time information about every system on board. There's adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this large vehicle surprisingly easy. The infotainment system supports both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with premium audio delivered through a custom-tuned sound system featuring speakers strategically positioned throughout the cabin for optimal acoustics. Under that dramatically styled body sits some seriously impressive engineering. The 2026 Volvo concept is powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain that combines a turbocharged diesel engine with electric motors for exceptional efficiency and performance. The total system output is estimated around 600 horsepower with nearly 2,000 Nm of torque available from virtually 0 RPM. This allows the vehicle to accelerate smoothly and effortlessly, even when fully loaded with passengers and luggage. The electric-only range is projected to be around 80 kilometers, perfect for zero-emission operation in urban environments. The air suspension system provides an incredibly smooth ride, automatically adjusting ride height and damping rates based on road conditions and driving speed. Active roll stabilization keeps the vehicle level through corners, while regenerative braking captures energy that would otherwise be lost as heat. The advanced thermal management system ensures optimal operating temperatures for both the combustion engine and electric components, maximizing efficiency and longevity. Now let's address the elephant in the room: pricing and availability. As a concept vehicle showcasing future technologies and design direction, this particular model isn't available for purchase in its current form. However, Volvo has indicated that production versions incorporating many of these innovations could reach the market within the next 2 to 3 years. Industry analysts estimate that a production model with similar specifications would likely be priced in the range of $1.5 to $2.5 million, depending on configuration and customization options chosen by buyers. This positions it firmly in the ultra-luxury segment, competing with custom-built coaches from manufacturers like Prevost and MCI. This 2026 Volvo concept represents more than just a vehicle, it's a statement about the future of premium ground transportation, where sustainability meets luxury and technology serves human comfort. Thanks for watching MH Car Review, and we'll see you in the next one.